So just like any kind of location language, there are a few expressions that you guys need to know in order to get more familiar and understand XPath better. So here I have created some tables. I got them all from W3 Schools, and you guys can obviously get more detail there if you want, but I don't think after this it'll be necessary. I'm going to teach you guys, as always, the most essential things to become amazing automation engineers without wasting your time on things that you don't need at all. So anyways, there is this forward slash, and that's used to navigate to the next element in the tree, and it selects from the root node. So for example, if we go all the way up in our HTML document here, you guys see this? This right here, document, that is the root node. So if I start with document, and then I put a forward slash there, that's what it does, right? It doesn't select anything. And then if I step into the HTML, excuse me guys, don't start with the document node, start with the HTML node, okay? So this is the root, and then if I put a slash here, and you guys can see that this HTML node has what we call two children. We have the head and we have the body. These two guys are called siblings. So if we want to navigate to see what's in the head, we can put head here, and then Firebug selects it. Or we can go inside the body. Look, if I put body here, see that how it selected the body? And now we can dig into the body's children if we want. So if you guys see that I expanded the body? Now if I want, I can dig into a div. So if I put a slash here and do a div, it's going to select all of the divs that are the children of this body. So you guys see, this is a hierarchy. This is the parent, and then this is the child of the HTML node, and then this guy is the child of this body node. But there are many of these guys, so all of them get selected because there are many divs inside of this body. And so we can keep navigating like this. See that? As deep as we want until... You guys see that? How I'm narrowing down until we get to the place that we want. And you guys can see how extensive that is, but this is how you form the absolute path. And that's like that absolute address that you know, but you want to visit a family, right? You want to visit your friends, and they live at a certain address. You don't have their phone number, but you know where they live. And one day you go to visit them, and those friends have moved. And because you only know their absolute address, you won't know how to track them down. So that's what that forward slash is for. Now, you guys see how annoying that is, right? So if I wanted to get down to this footer, I can use this double slash, which selects a node in the document from the current node that matches selection, no matter where they are. So that kind of just lets me skip anything I want. So if I want to get to the footer, I just have to put double slash here, and boom, I'm at the footer, right? If I want to get to a div, I put a double slash and then hit div, and it's going to select all of them. And you guys can see what's happening on the page. It's selecting all the divs. If I want to get, for example, to this title tag, I just do this, title, and it highlights that title. But if it was just a single slash, that's not possible because I need to do body and then so on and so forth. I need to dig in one by one HTML, then I need to do body, and then I need to dig down all the way until I get to the title. But if I don't want to do that and I just want to get directly to the title, double slash allows me to skip. If I want to get, let's see, to this XPath button, to an input tag, right? You guys see here how it ends. If I want to bypass all of this crap right here, put another slash, hit enter. Now you guys can see the problem. that it's selecting all of the input tags. And right now there are 2, but that's okay. At least we skipped all of that crap. And now we kind of filtered down. And based on this, we can dig in to where we want, whether we want to hit this button or this button. So that's what the double forward slash does. It allows us to skip to a certain tag no matter where it is in the HTML structure.